What's up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna have a pretty fun day. Hopefully we are going to the track, but I won't be taking the C5 Corvette. I'll be taking my other car. So without further ado, you guys haven't seen my other car, but here it is. It is a 2015 Mitsubishi Evolution. And we are going to do some autocross today. So this car is definitely more set up to do like autocross compared to the Corvette. So the Corvette is really built for straight line speed. This car has some great cornering capabilities. It's all-wheel drive and it's a manual versus automatic. So without further ado, we're gonna get in the car. Maybe we'll do a cold start on the Evo, and then we'll be on our way. I'm back from the track event. It's actually a few days later. The track event was so amazing. It was my first ever autocross track event, and I really had a great time. There's some super cool cars out there. If you guys watched the video, you saw there's a Lamborghini Aventador, there was a 600 LT, there was a GT3 RS, a whole bunch of different Porsches. In my group that I went out with, it was the Lamborghini Aventador, it was a Camaro SS, and it was a 718 Spider. And all of those cars were awesome to go on the track with. And you know, for just a full bolt-on Evo, it did pretty well. It you know, held its own. So I was really excited the way that the car performed on the track. And speaking about track, the track was Lime Rock in Connecticut. It is their autocross track. It's a 3-hour drive here from New Jersey, but well worth it. The track was recently repaved. I can't say enough great things about, you know, the staff there and just the overall event. That being said, the event was hosted by GS Motor Club and Tracking Experience. So if you're in the New Jersey, New York, Pennsylvania area, definitely check out GS Motor Club. I'm going to put some information in the description of this video. You know, I'm a member of GS Motor Club, and being a member, you get to have certain experiences within the automotive world and you know, automotive culture that you wouldn't find elsewhere. The track day being one of them. You know, is a privately rented track just for GS members. There's also other events that we do together with the GS Motor Club, and it doesn't matter what car you have. So you could have an everyday daily driver Toyota Camry. It really doesn't matter. You could be a member of the car club. It's really more about, you know, bringing car culture together and car enthusiasts together, and not so much about exactly what you drive. So if you're interested in being a part of something like that, definitely check them out. There is a fee to join the club, but like I said, you get access to a lot of special perks, discounts also on parts, and they're partnered with, I want to say, over 100 different shops and suppliers across the United States. So you could get special discounts and pretty much recoup your money pretty quickly, which is what happened for me. So highly suggest them. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video. Please comment, like, subscribe. Going to be doing a lot more, you know, track content possibly, and also be doing some content with the Corvette. So thank you so much.